So traveling and getting around with a camera without having a dedicated camera bag can be really tricky. So I got this bag. What's up guys? Today we are going to talk about this backpack. This is the Peak Design Everyday Backpack 20 liter in tan. I got it about 2 days ago, but first let's jump back into the unboxing. When big boxes come in the mail, it's always a great day. Let's jump into an unboxing. That's for another video. Today we are talking about this bag. Here is the bag. It's been a while since I needed a camera bag because my last bag was... Wait a minute. That was my last bag, and I mean, it's pretty wrecked. I don't say it's a bad bag, but it's just like a really cheap bag which is not meant to be used as a camera bag. You only have something for a laptop, and I don't have a laptop. It's really hard to get around with that bag when you have a camera. So I really needed to get a backpack. So I first thought about Lowepro, but I wanted to look around and to see what was really the best camera backpack for me. So let's jump into a review of this bag and let's see why I chose this one. So first, look at it. You couldn't tell it's a camera bag. When you see like a Lowepro backpack, I don't say they are bad, but you know, it's basically written in your back, I have some cameras. And this one, it doesn't even look like a camera bag. Also, I think it's a really pretty bag. It doesn't only come in this color, it also comes in black, charcoal, tan and ash. But I really wanted to get this color, and it also comes in 20 liters and in 30 liters. This is the 20 liters. So this bag is so well thought, it's so well designed. And the big selling point of this bag is how handy it is, because if you have it on your back, like that, and that you want to have your camera, you don't have to remove it and to put it on the ground. You just have to do that. And it comes like that, and you know, you don't have to put it on the ground. And then you open it and you can take your camera, and that is so handy because sometimes the ground is dirty and you don't want to put your bag on the ground, so that's a big reason why I got this bag. When you open it like that, you have a few separators, like that. So you can remove them if you want, like that, and then you can have a bigger space. And those are really handy because you can do that, and you can do that. Why is that so handy? I'll show you. Put it back inside. So here it comes through the bag. But if I want to divide something, I just do that. And I can also do that. But if I have something bigger, like a big lens, I can just do that and put it right there. You can also access the top part here from there. And let me talk 2 minutes about that mechanism. So when you close it down, to open you don't just do that or that, you know, you have to do that and that at the same time. And you can choose the size if you have a lot of things to put in your bag, for example, like that. So there you have plenty of space. This bag is perfect if you love organization, because first I've already shown you the dividers, really handy, but also you have those pockets here. I already put some things here with some other dividers, so you really can put a lot of things everywhere. Like also same thing over here. So also those side pockets here, you can open them from the top as I just did, but you can also open them from the bottom. So that's another really handy thing. I think I will say handy a lot in this video because this bag is really handy. So I just talked about the zippers, let's talk about them a bit more. We can open them like that, and then we can fix them in there. Like that, you basically lock your camera bag, and if someone tries to steal something, you can't open it. Same thing with those zippers. Also, other secret pockets over here with a magnet. Here, other pocket, you can put a 15-inch laptop here, and you can also put like a tablet or a wallet. So pocket here, and another one here. So as you can see, it's a really well designed bag, but there are a few others hidden features. For example, I can come like that and do that. So for example, if I want to attach something outside my bag, like I don't know, a tripod, a gimbal or something, you can just do that. You increase the size and you fix it there. And same thing over here. And those little things are everywhere, so you can basically do anything you want with the bag. You can do like cross, but you can also attach that at the bottom. And you also have other straps here. You can attach them pretty much everywhere, like here to hold the tripod. And yes, also those are really handy because, you know, there's like a stretching things and you can put like a big water bottle without any trouble. So when we come at the back, you can see that there is those things, which allows those straps to move like that. And that's handy when you do like this thing. It works really well because it rotates, and like that the bag really stands still here, and you have like your operating station over here. So then moving on, here you can do that. So like that, when you have another suitcase, you can just put your bag on the handle. So then if I have my backpack on, you notice that there are no straps to put here and no straps to put here. But in fact there are some here. You just remove that, then you can do that with one hand and just you clip it, then tie it up, and it works. And you just do that and you can put it like this if you want to remove it. Really handy because you don't want those things to bounce around and stuff. And same thing for the strap here, they are hidden. You have to find them in that little thing. But I think it's a bit too tight. It can sometimes be a bit hard to get them out from here. You can see, but you're still able to do it, just not that easy. You remove this side, then you put your backpack on, then you can adjust the size, and you do that. And you can tie it up, and that works. So when you remove it, it doesn't bounce around everywhere because you can put them back here. Also, still another feature, you have this thing to hold your keys in this pocket. You can remove them like that. You have your keys. Indeed, this system is the same as their camera strap system. It works really well. You just put it back, press it, and your keys are in there. Overall, the build quality of this bag is gorgeous. And also, something I forgot to mention, it's waterproof. Even the zippers are waterproof. I really think this bag is really cool. So yes, let's go a bit outside to see how it works. The snow has been there for like, I don't know, 3 days, and it's already melting. The ground is so slippery and so wet right now. Yes, the backpack. As I just said, the ground is pretty wet, so I'm happy to have this bag because I don't have to put it on the ground. I just have to do that. And then I can access my gear. Inside, I have first my camera. So no, my main camera is there, but if my camera wouldn't be there, it would be there. So I took another camera, which is this one. It's a film camera, a Nikon 401S. And a little tip, if you have this bag, is to put your camera upside down, like that. So this is the top of the bag, this is the bottom, and I put my camera upside down because, you know, the grip of the camera, you can access it with your right hand, so it's easier to access it when it's upside down. If it was in the normal way, it'd be a bit harder. My camera here, so there I put my gloves, my hat and everything when it's cold. I have like this lens here, I have my lens adapter here. So yes, it's really handy to have this bag because I don't have to put it on the ground, and if I want to change my lens, you know, I have like a little working station here. So there are some dogs, sorry for the noise. Here I have my camera strap, some lens cap. If I want to clean my lens, I have that. You can have a lot of things. Here I can put my lunch when I go, for example, at school and everything. I have that thing if I want to clean my lens even more. And here can put like my lamps when I come home by bike, a little notebook, a pen, and you know, everything. So yeah, like when the weather is like that and there is like some snow on the ground, some wet snow, and floor is dirty, you don't always want to put your backpack on the ground and to mess everything up. So this bag is perfect for that. And the big plus is, you know, this bag just looks great. Doesn't even feels like I have a camera bag on my back. So, there you have it. That was my review of the Peak Design Everyday Backpack in 20 liter. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, to subscribe, and to share the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.